Hello, I am Akshata Kumbar and welcome back to the Daily News Bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. The Supreme Court on Tuesday, while hearing the petitions against the police action on the students of Jamia Millia Islamia University and Aligarh Muslim University, said that High Court should be approached first on petitions alleging police atrocities and persons protesting against the Citizenship Act. Observing that one inquiry cannot be ordered since violence had erupted at several places, the court directed that separate FIRs be filed under law for offences such as destruction of properties. After hearing the centre and state governments, the top court said that the Chief Justices of High Courts would set up appropriate committee headed by retired Supreme Court or High Court judges to inquire into alleged police excesses against students. Refusing to consider statements of JMI Vice Chancellor Najma Akhtar given to media in which she alleged unauthorized entry of police inside the campus, the bench said that it will not rely on newspapers to arrive at judicial decisions. On Monday, the Supreme Court had taken serious note of rioting and destruction of public property during protests and said that violence must stop immediately. 10 people have been arrested in connection with the violence that took place at the Jamia Millia Islamia University in Delhi during protests against the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, the Delhi police said. According to the police, the 10 people arrested have criminal background and no one among them is a student, while reports suggest that the 10 suspects were arrested from Jamia Nagar and Shaheen Bagh areas based on the viral videos of the violence after the police conducted overnight raids on Monday. Meanwhile, Home Ministry sources also said that no bullets were fired by Delhi police personnel during the clashes on Sunday. Delhi police had on Monday registered 2 cases against unidentified people for rioting, arson and causing damage to public property in connection with the violence during a protest against CAA. The university had turned into a battlefield on Sunday as police entered the campus and used force following the violent protest. Protesters torched 4 public buses and 2 police vehicles as they clashed with the security forces in New Friends Colony near Jamia Millia Islamia during the demonstration, leaving nearly 60 people including students, cops and firefighters injured. A special court in Pakistan on Tuesday handed over death penalty to former Pakistani military chief and President Pervez Musharraf in the high treason case, Pakistan media reported as quoted by news agency ANI. The court, comprising Peshawar High Court Chief Justice Waqar Ahmed Seth, Justice Nazar Akbar of Sindh High Court and Justice Shahid Kareem of Lahore High Court, took up the high treason against Musharraf earlier today. Pervez Musharraf was accused of unlawfully spending the constitution and instituting an emergency rule in the country in 2007. The special court earlier this month had said that it would announce the verdict in the case on December 17. The court on November 19 concluded the trial proceedings in the case against Musharraf for declaring a state emergency on November 3, 2007. The court was scheduled to announce the verdict on November 28 on the basis of the available record, but the Islamabad High Court halted the verdict announcement after Prime Minister Imran Khan-led government filed a petition against the announcement. Since 2016, Musharraf has been living in a self-imposed exile in Dubai for seeking medical treatment and has not returned to the country since. He is wanted by authorities in connection to the case. The high treason trial of the former leader has been pending since December 2013 when he was booked in the case. With this, I conclude the Daily News Bulletin for today. We will be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all the developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you. Goodbye.